What's up YouTube, D Brooks here with another video. Today I got a package, one of my favorite products here. I use this for my fuel lines on my Regal and I had pretty good success with it, so I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. Basically a review. So these are pretty much, you see a lot of people doing AN stainless steel braided fuel lines and power steering lines. Well, actually those are usually PTFE for the power steering, but like transmission cooler lines, fuel lines, usually people are doing like stainless steel braided fuel lines and stuff like that. These are nylon stainless steel braided fuel lines. They have the nylon woven, would it be woven, babe? Woven is the nylon woven material on the rubber hose, but they have really good like pressure ratings. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this. I ordered another shipment of this stuff in. So this is 20 feet. This is 20 feet of AN line with fittings. Let me go ahead and open it up for you guys. So this is kind of like a review slash unboxing because I've already had some. All right, so I got these off of eBay from Max Speeding Rods. That's the name of the store, I guess. If you guys are interested, you can check them out on eBay. That's the store I got them from, Max Speeding Rods. But these are on eBay. I think I paid like $50 for this kit here. It's 20 feet of hose, and you get like all these fittings with it. And the reason why I go with the nylon stuff now is because it's so much easier to work with. Like, it still has the steel reinforcement inside, but the nylon is so much easier to work with as far as putting the fittings together. Let me see if I can kind of put one together without even, you know, going outside and getting my grinder or anything like that. But let's see if I can get a straight fitting. So this is, it comes with all these different fittings. You got your straights, you got your 45 degrees, you have 180s, and then you have 90s in there as well. So let me give you guys a visual of what some of these fittings look like. So this is like a hose end right here. Is that in focus? The fittings are they're pretty good. I'm gonna show you guys how they go on. Now this one's already been cut and taped or whatever, so when you cut it, you usually want to tape it before you cut it so it doesn't unravel. But this one's cut, that's how it came. But usually what you do is you untape it after you've cut it. And what I usually do to cut mine is I use a grinder, I tape it, and then I use a grinder to cut it. You can also use like bolt cutters, but I use a grinder. You go ahead and put this part of the fitting on. Like if they come together like this. They come together pretty much like how they're gonna end up. You see what I'm saying? And then when you go to put them on, you have to take this part off and you insert the the hose into the fitting, and you want to make sure that you get it all the way in there, and try to make sure you get all of this in the fitting, all the material, because you want to have a good seal. Now with the stainless steel, completely stainless steel braided hose, this is where you cut yourself really bad. Now, but if you guys can see, there's still some steel reinforcement in this nylon. So it's still strong, it's just not as strong as the fully stainless steel stuff. But you go ahead and put it in here, and let me put this stuff down. I usually just kind of work around and twist. Like that. Can you see inside the fitting? It's bottomed out all the way. And then you just go ahead, if you have like the AN, you have like the AN wrenches or whatever, you go ahead and you tighten this up on there, and then you hold this firm so it doesn't back out of the fitting. And you just tighten it up. If you have the wrench, you can get it real tight, or like you put this in the vise. I have a vise outside, but I'm just showing you guys in here right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You tighten it up until it bottoms out, until it's snug, and then that's your fitting. So that's pretty much how they go together. It's gonna be the same for pretty much all of the fittings, no matter if it's a 90, a 180, a straight, 45. It's just a matter of tightening it down, and then you go ahead and install it into your application, and then you cut it. But this particular order, it's 20 feet, came with, looks like maybe 10 fittings, and I really like them, so I figured I'd do a video on a review. And then I think all of it cost like $50 for 20 feet and the fittings. If you want to get just the hose, I think you can get it for like 30 bucks for 20 feet. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe, and then make sure you smash the bell if you want to get notifications for a video. If you don't hit the bell, you won't get the notifications. But before we get off here, I want to give you guys one more close-up on the hose. You see the material, you see the fittings, real nice. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but I was just really impressed with the product, so I just figured I'd share it with you. So there you guys have it. There's a review on this nylon stainless steel braided hose. Thank you.